Want to boost your strength and performance without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into the 5 best budget creatine options that deliver real results for less. From muscle growth to workout endurance, I'll walk you through what makes each one stand out. And yes, I'll be upfront about both the pros and the cons. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick. Naked Creatine, Strawberry-Flavored Creatine. Naked Creatine Strawberry offers a clean, simple formula with no artificial additives, making it a great choice for health-conscious users. The natural strawberry flavor is refreshing and much more enjoyable than unflavored creatine, which can taste bland. It mixes easily in water or smoothies, and the vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free profile adds peace of mind for those with dietary restrictions. On the performance side, it supports noticeable muscle strength and recovery with consistent use. The only downside is the relatively small serving size per container compared to some competitors, so it may run out faster if you take creatine daily. Number 2. My second best pick. Creatine Pills, 5G3X Pure Creatine Monohydrate Pills. These creatine pills are a convenient alternative to powders, making them perfect for people who dislike mixing drinks or measuring scoops. With 5G of creatine per serving and a blend of 3 types, they support improved strength, endurance, and lean muscle growth. The tablets are easy to swallow and offer good absorption, which means you can take them on the go without hassle. The main downside is that the pills are on the larger side, which may be uncomfortable for those who struggle with swallowing tablets. Overall, a solid choice for anyone seeking a simple, travel-friendly creatine option. Number 3. My third best pick. Creatine Monohydrate Powder Micronized. This micronized creatine monohydrate powder delivers excellent mixability, blending smoothly into water or any pre- or post-workout drink without a gritty texture. It supports muscle strength, recovery, and even cognitive performance, making it a versatile supplement for both training and daily energy. Being unflavored is a plus for those who prefer to stack it with other supplements without altering taste. The vegan and keto-friendly formula suits a wide range of dietary needs. The only drawback is that it requires daily consistency for noticeable results, which might not appeal to those seeking instant effects. Overall, a clean, effective, and budget-friendly creatine option. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Creatine Monohydrate Powder. This creatine monohydrate powder is a solid choice for anyone looking to boost strength, endurance, and recovery. The micronized texture makes it easy to mix into water, shakes, or smoothies without clumping, and the unflavored profile means it won't interfere with your favorite drinks. With 100 servings, it offers great value for long-term use. It's suitable for both men and women and works well for pre- or post-workout supplementation. The only minor downside is that the container could be more compact for easier storage. Overall, a reliable and cost-effective creatine for consistent performance improvement. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Beam Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Beam Creatine Monohydrate Powder delivers noticeable improvements in strength, endurance, and muscle recovery. The micronized formula dissolves quickly in water or shakes, making it easy to consume without gritty residue. Being unflavored, it blends seamlessly with any drink, and its keto and vegan-friendly profile makes it versatile for various diets. The quality feels consistent, and results are noticeable within weeks of regular use. The main drawback is the smaller 30-serving container, which may require more frequent reordering if used daily. Overall, it's a clean, effective creatine option for those seeking performance gains with minimal fuss. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite budget creatine? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.